What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking the classic Roblox Bedwars logo and giving it a massive professional graphic design upgrade. The original style has a lot going on, so I wanted to see if we could make it cleaner, punchier, and way more modern. Let's hop straight into the screen and get started. So looking at the layout here, the main issue is that everything is just fighting for attention. The bed texture feels completely separate from the shield, and the alignment is a little chaotic. We need sharp geometry and clean vector lines, so this thing actually looks like a high-tier esports emblem. First things first, we need the right backdrop. I'm choosing a solid deep gray canvas. This lets the red and blue team accents contrast perfectly without making the screen look too cluttered. By the way, all the assets I'm using in this video are linked down in the description below, so you can download them and follow along right now. Boom! Look at that. This is the final result we are building today. It's completely flat, perfectly balanced, and honestly looks clean enough to be on an official team jersey. Let me show you exactly how I put this together step by step. Alright, canvas is set up, assets are ready, and our alignment guides are locked in. Let's open up the pen tool and start blocking out the foundation. Now we're diving into the actual build. Notice how I'm using very simple geometric shapes. For the bed, we're locking it into a solid isometric perspective using flat block colors. For the swords, a pro tip is to just design one side completely, group it, and then mirror it to the other side. This guarantees 100% perfect symmetry every single time. We're keeping the text bold and blocky to anchor the entire bottom frame. Now that the core shapes are locked down, this is where the magic happens, the shading and details. We're adding clean, flat, dual-tone shadows to the shield to give it depth without making it messy. I'm also scaling down the text padding slightly so the letters can breathe inside the banner. Finally, we're dropping a subtle neon outer glow under the whole emblem to make it pop off the screen. And there you have it, a clean, watchable, professional Bedwars redesign. Drop a comment below and let me know if this is an absolute upgrade. And there you have it. A clean, readable, professional Bedwars logo redesign built completely from scratch using simple geometry. If you want to grab these assets to use in your own projects or practice your tracing, remember the download link is right down in the description. If you think this design is a massive upgrade over the original layout, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next creative redesign challenge. Drop a comment below telling me which Roblox game logo I should fix next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.